Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Just for Reviews, and today we're unboxing Piquant Post. This is a monthly spice subscription. Each package takes you to a different region of the world, and they send you 4 recipes with 4 corresponding spice packets. If you're interested in my full review, I always complete one of the recipes there. I know I don't do it in the unboxing. I know it's just, I don't have the equipment to do it. So if you're interested in that, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate link. Each package is $11.99. So let's open this baby up. All right, so this month it looks like we're doing, and they did change our packets, which I really think is cool. What's the theme? I don't know. Tanzanian, which I don't really know much about. All right, Tanzanian spicy slaw. So this looks yummy. It looks like it's vegetarian. Yeah, it's cabbage, cucumber, carrots, onion, cilantro, tomatoes, mayonnaise, lime juice, salt, and Piquant Post Burberry spice blend. So let's see the Burberry. This is onion, cayenne pepper, paprika, New Mexico chilies, coriander, cardamom, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, black pepper, allspice, and cloves. So that sounds good. Then we have Zanzibar. Is an island in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Tanzania, located in the heart of historical East African Ocean trade routes between Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Modern Zanzibar reflects the cultural influences of Swahili, Arab, Muslim, and European predecessors. These were referred to as the Spice Islands. So this is Zanzibar pilau, or rice pilaf. This recipe is 2 tablespoons of olive or vegetable oil, and onion, bell pepper, cashews, garlic, fresh ginger, bay leaf, Piquant Post spiced pilaf blend, basmati rice, coconut milk, salt, low salt broth, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's see what's in their spiced pilaf blend. So this has cumin, cardamom, star anise, black pepper, cayenne, cinnamon, cloves, turmeric, cayenne, coriander, ginger, smoked paprika. I don't know if that's the wrong, they put cayenne twice, so maybe they put the wrong spice for that one, or maybe they just put cayenne twice by accident. So there is that. This recipe sounds the best so far. Fish coconut curry. So for this you'll need olive oil, onion, garlic, ginger, the tamarind curry blend, low salt diced tomatoes, coconut milk, low salt broth, flaky whitefish like tilapia, cod, sole or halibut, lime, and a handful of cilantro, salt, and pepper. So this spice blend, here it is, tamarind curry, is tamarind, coriander, cumin, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, fenugreek, and cayenne pepper. So there's that. And then our final recipe is Zanzibar spiced coffee. That sounds so good. So all you need for this is 1 or 2 tablespoons of freshly ground coffee per 6 ounces of water and some of this spice blend. So their coffee, which I'll definitely be making this, I can tell you right now, because I drink so much coffee. This is cardamom, ginger, cloves, and cinnamon. So it's just a nice way to flavor your coffee. I think I'm going to make the fish and the coffee, to be honest. I really do. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant Post. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!